common sandpiper. The common sandpiper is a small to medium-sized wading bird that belongs to the family Sculopacidae. It has a wide distribution across Europe, Asia, and Africa, and it is known for its distinctive behavior and appearance. Here are some key characteristics and information about the common sandpiper. Number 1. Appearance. The common sandpiper is about 18-20 centimeters, 7-8 inches, in length with a wingspan of around 32-35 centimeters, the 12th of May 2014 inches. It has a brown upper body with white underparts. The breast is typically streaked with dark spots. The tail is relatively short and the legs are greenish in color. It has a distinctive flight pattern characterized by rapid, shallow wing beats and a tendency to bob its tail up and down. Number 2. Habitat. Common sandpipers inhabit a variety of wetland habitats including freshwater shores, riverbanks, lakesides, and sometimes coastal areas during migration. They are often found near water bodies with suitable feeding grounds such as muddy areas, shallow pools, and exposed mudflats. Number 3. Behavior. The name sandpiper is derived from the bird's characteristic probing behavior in search of food. They feed primarily on small invertebrates like insects, crustaceans, and worms that they pick from the mud or shallow water. The bobbing tail movement is a distinctive feature when they are foraging or walking on the shorelines. During migration, these birds cover long distances and are known to fly both during the day and at night. Number 4. Breeding and migration. Common sandpipers breed in temperate regions of Europe and Asia, and some parts of northern Africa. They build their nests on the ground, often well hidden in vegetation, and lay a clutch of eggs. After breeding, they migrate to warmer regions for the winter, including areas in Africa, the Indian subcontinent, and Southeast Asia. Number 5. Conservation status. The common sandpiper is generally considered to be a species of least concern in terms of conservation status, as their population is relatively stable and widespread. However, like many bird species, they can face habitat loss and disturbance from human activities, especially in their breeding and feeding areas. The common sandpiper, like many other bird species, faces various biological challenges that can impact its survival and well-being. Some of the biological challenges that common sandpipers might encounter include: Number 1. Habitat loss and degradation. One of the primary challenges for many bird species, including the common sandpiper, is habitat loss and degradation. Urbanization, agricultural expansion, and industrial development can lead to the destruction of their breeding and foraging habitats, making it difficult for them to find suitable places to nest and feed. Number 2. Climate change. Climate change can affect the availability of suitable habitats and alter migration patterns and timing. Changes in temperature and precipitation can impact the availability of food resources, which in turn can influence breeding success and overall population health. Predation. Nest predation by various predators, such as mammals and other birds, can pose a threat to the survival of common sandpiper eggs and chicks. In areas where nest predators are abundant, the success of breeding can be significantly reduced. Number 3. Human disturbance. Human activities, such as recreational activities, tourism, and development, can lead to disturbance of nesting and feeding sites. Frequent disturbances can cause stress to the birds and disrupt their natural behaviors, potentially affecting their ability to reproduce and thrive. Pollution and contaminants. Pollution from chemicals, heavy metals, and other contaminants can have detrimental effects on both the birds and their habitats. Polluted water bodies can impact the availability of clean water and safe food sources for the birds. Number 4. Invasive species. Invasive plant species can alter the structure of habitats, making them less suitable for nesting and foraging. Additionally, invasive predators can impact native bird populations by preying on eggs, chicks, and even adult birds. Number 5. Migration challenges. The long-distance migration undertaken by common sandpipers exposes them to various risks. They can face adverse weather conditions, exhaustion, and navigation challenges during their journeys, which could impact their survival. Number 6. Habitat fragmentation. Fragmentation of habitats due to human development can lead to isolated populations that have limited genetic diversity. This can make the species more vulnerable to diseases and environmental changes. Conservation efforts focused on protecting and restoring their habitats, implementing measures to reduce human disturbance, and addressing broader environmental issues like climate change are crucial to ensuring the continued survival of the common sandpiper and other bird species facing similar challenges.